If your fence is causing cuts or splinters, you need to fix those sharp edges fast to keep everyone safe. Okay, so first thing, grab some sandpaper or a sanding block and smooth out all the rough spots on your fence. You want to spend some time really rubbing down those jagged edges so they're not stabbing anyone by accident. If sanding feels like a pain, you can also get protective covers or caps for the sharp corners. They're super easy to snap on and make a big difference. Another tip is to check for loose nails or screws sticking out. Those are a nightmare waiting to happen, so hammer or tighten them back in. Try to keep an eye on your fence regularly, especially after storms, since weather can mess up the wood and create new rough patches. If you notice any broken boards, swap them out quickly before they become a hazard. Using a sealant or fence paint can help protect the wood from cracking and splintering over time too. And hey, if you've got kids or pets running around, definitely make these fixes a priority so no one gets hurt. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fences causing injury is ignoring small splinters until they become huge problems. Fix the little stuff right away so it doesn't get worse. Another common issue is not using the right tools for smoothing edges. Sandpaper works best, so avoid just scraping with anything random that won't get the job done cleanly. The third problem is skipping protective covers on sharp corners. These are inexpensive and super effective, so don't overlook them if you want to prevent cuts and scrapes. To fix these, stay on top of maintenance, invest in good sanding materials, and never hesitate to slap on some corner guards for extra safety. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle fence repairs safely and professionally. If you are a contractor, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with customers looking for your skills so you can grow your business without the hassle.